Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. So today the video is related to the DP trials. So here this is a DP2 vessel and the system is Rolls-Royce. So we have here now DP trials. For DP trials we have to do test related to the CyScan and the radius. For CyScan and the radius we have to show them signal error. For signal error, what we did here, like you can see here, we have a CyScan here. This is CyScan. Whenever you are using the CyScan for the testing, so what we did, we covered it with the fireman outfit jacket. So when we are using it, we covered it with the fireman jacket. So after some time we received the alarm for the signal error, and then we did the same test for the radius. You can see we have a radius there. So that one is our radius. You can, this is our radius. So that is the radius. For the radius, same alarm we have to show the signal error. So for that one, what we did, we covered it with the plywood. We covered it with the plywood. Then after some time we received the alarm for the signal error. But before plywood, we are trying with the fireman jacket to cover it with the fireman jacket, but we didn't receive any alarm. So after that we did test with the plywood. We covered with the plywood. Then we received the alarm, signal error there. So this is the video for how to test the signal error alarm for the CyScan and the radius. So I will show you the jacket also, which we used for the covering it CyScan, and the plywood which we used for covering radius also. So friends, this is the jacket, fireman outfit jacket, which we used for the signal error for the CyScan. So with the help of this jacket we did this test. And you can use this type of plywood, so you can cover the radius, then only you will get the alarm. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.